Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable drag and drop conflicts in React DnD UI components, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable drag and drop conflicts in React DnD UI components, start by identifying the components involved in your drag and drop functionality. Ensure that you have React and React DnD installed in your project. Import the necessary modules from React DnD in your component file. Set up your drag source and drop target components by using the drag source and drop target higher order components. Define the relevant type for your drag and drop items to avoid miscommunication between components. Create a component that defines the drag source's behavior, including how it should react when dragged. In your drop target component, define the accept types to match the drag sources. To disable conflicts, implement checks in your drop method to handle cases where a drop is not appropriate. Use the canDrop property in the drop target to manage when or where an item can be dropped. Make sure to return false from the canDrop method during scenarios you want to block drops. Manage the component's state to reflect whether dragging is currently occurring. Consider using conditional rendering to visually indicate when an item is not droppable. Check for overlapping drag sources and targets to prevent conflicts. Ensure that the drag and drop library's configuration does not allow for multiple overlapping drop targets. Test your components after implementing these changes to ensure functionality is working as expected. Debug any issues by logging the drag and drop events to see where conflicts may arise. Refine your implementation based on user interactions to improve the overall experience. Once you are satisfied with the behavior, proceed to optimize your components for better performance. Consider wrapping your components in React.memo to prevent unnecessary re-renders. Finally, document your implementation for future reference and for any other developers working on the project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.